electric energy generation using wind energy. The next type of renewable and inexhaustible source of energy is wind energy. It is also an eco-friendly source of energy, and we can even call it as green energy source because it does not cause any kind of pollution. Now, winds are set up due to the differential heating of the land and water bodies. Due to difference in the heating of the land and water bodies, we have land breezes and sea breezes. These breezes are created on account of the differential heating of the water bodies and the land. And due to this atmospheric pressure difference, the air starts moving, and we call moving air as wind. Now, anything which is moving possesses kinetic energy. So, moving air or wind also possesses kinetic energy. So here how this kinetic energy in the wind can be harnessed and how can we make electrical energy out of it is what we are going to learn here. Now the kinetic energy of the wind has been used since long for lifting water and driving the flour mills. So this wind energy can also be used for electricity generation. Farmers also have been using wind energy since long time for removing the husk from the grain. We have even heard about cyclones and hurricanes and tornadoes in coastal areas and the damage that they cause. So all these are associated with wind energy. And we know that the destruction that is caused by these cyclones and hurricanes, which indicates that wind has got lot of power. And this power or force of the wind energy is harnessed and we produce electrical energy out of it. But in order to produce electricity from wind energy, we need wind to blow with a certain velocity. So the wind must blow with a minimum velocity of 12.6 kilometers per hour in order to generate electricity. So here we will study how electrical energy is generated with the help of wind energy. So here we have the stages in the electric generator using wind energy. The first thing, wind with required velocity. So wind must blow with a certain minimum velocity in order to produce electricity. It is used to drive the wind turbine with large fans. So there is a wind turbine which starts rotating as soon as the wind strikes the huge big fans of the windmill. This in turn activates the generator, which gives rise to electrical energy. The energy transformation which takes place inside an electric generator when we make use of wind energy is kinetic energy of wind is converted into the kinetic energy in the turbine and electrical energy. So here the energy transformation which is taking place is quite small. That is, the kinetic energy of the wind is transferred to the kinetic energy in the turbine and eventually electricity is generated. So the steps that are involved in the conversion of wind energy into electrical energy are very, very less. So here we have studied about the various stages in electric generator using wind energy and the transformation of energy that is taking place in a generator using wind energy. Let us now try to understand the schematic of a windmill. The machine that converts the kinetic energy of the wind to electrical energy is a wind turbine. As the wind strikes the blades of the turbine, the blades rotate. So here we have the air that is striking the blades of the turbine, and as soon as the wind strikes the blades, they start rotating. We know that in order to produce electrical energy from wind, we need the wind to blow with a certain minimum velocity. And hence windmills cannot be erected at every place. Generally, we will find windmills on mountainous areas and near the seashores, where the wind blows very fast and substantial amount of electricity can be generated. So as soon as the air strikes the blades of the wind turbine, they start rotating. Now here the generator is connected via the shaft or axle and a gearbox. So here we find that the axle of the turbine or the shaft of the turbine is connected to the generator with the help of a gearbox. The function of the gearbox is to increase the rotations per unit time. So as the rotating blades drive the turbine and the turbine in turn drives the generator, electrical energy is produced. So this is how the electricity gets generated with the help of a wind energy turbine. The picture here shows you a wind energy farm, and it has been observed that the electricity that is generated by a single windmill is quite small. Therefore, number of windmills are erected over a large area, and this area is called as a wind energy farm. The electricity that is generated by each windmill is coupled to generate electricity on a commercial scale. So this is what is a wind energy farm, and it is erected at places where the wind is blowing with certain minimum velocity. But due to this constraint, that is, it requires a minimum velocity for wind, such windmills cannot be erected at every place, and hence the generation of electricity from wind energy is not available everywhere. So in that sense, we can say that the use of wind energy is limited, but it is definitely a clean source of energy and it does not cause any pollution. So we will end our session here itself, and we shall resume back with the lesson tomorrow. Thank you.